Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to back up my Frameo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To back up your Frameo digital photo frame, you can use the built-in export feature to save your photos and settings to any external storage device such as microSD card or USB drive. So what you can do is first insert a microSD card or USB drive on your Frameo app. It will be located on the back or on the side of the Frameo app. Insert the microSD card into the appropriate slot on your Frameo device. Make sure the storage device has enough free space to hold your photos and settings. And then once done, tap the screen on your Frameo frame to open the menu. Select settings, which is your gear icon, and in the settings menu, scroll down and look for backup or backup and restore section. Tap on backup to SD card or similar option. Now once done, the frame will back up all your photos, videos and configuration settings to the inserted microSD or USB drive. Wait until the backup is complete. A confirmation message will appear when it's done. Now remove the microSD card or USB drive and insert it into a computer or compatible device to ensure that the files has been saved. Some Frameo models support automatic backups when a microSD card is always inserted. Keep backups secure by storing your microSD card or USB drive in a safe place to protect your data. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.